More power to everybody who decided to twist this from scratch, because it's most for me, dog. Okay guys, so before we get into this video, you already know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and follow all of my social media, which I will have linked down below. So right now I'm showing you guys all of the hair that I bought. I have 6-pack of this Passion Twist 24-inch hair. I believe it's in the color T1B-30. They were about $8.99 a pack. I'm also going to be using the Water Wave Free Tress. I don't know what type of hair this is, but it's like the hair that everyone twists from scratch. And I'm starting off with semi-dry hair. I know my hair looks super dry, but it's semi-dry. And then this is my braiding pattern that I did. It's crusty, but I mean, it's gonna work. Y'all see it's gonna work. So I'm just starting off with some of the Passion Twist. I'm not going to do a tutorial on this. I will leave a link down below to a couple videos that I watched. This is very, very easy. So yeah, here you'll just see me crocheting in the hair. And then here I'm showing you guys how I did the individuals at the top of my head. I kind of crocheted in, but you have to split it apart. I'm trying to explain it the best way I can, but you have to split it apart and then into 2 pieces, and then you'll braid it down to the bottom. I'm actually going to show you guys again. So I'm going to be using the Edge Booster Gel. Previously I was using, what was I using? Oh my god, you guys, brain fart. Oh, Edge Control. So I'm going to be using Edge Booster. It works well. So I hope when I showed this part of the video, it made more sense. You have to split it into 2. Just like you're regularly crocheting, split your regular hair into 2 and then twist it in the direction that it was split. If you twist it in the wrong direction, you'll actually notice, because once you let go of the twist, it's gonna look funky. It's gonna look like a spiral noodle. It's not gonna look, I mean, you'll get it. Like when you twist it in the wrong way, you're gonna see your mistake. So right now I'm just adding in a few of those water wave pieces. You're going to crochet these in the same exact way that you would your regular hair. I recommend going directly underneath the rubber band as if you did the braid and doing it that way. Otherwise, you're going to have like the knot in the wrong place. You just want it to look seamless, like that looks seamless. So yeah, and yeah, that's my brother in the back, you guys. So there's 2 colors, the 1B and then the 30 that came in this. So I'm just going to be mixing it. And this is the finished result. I love big hair, you guys. I'm going to be using this Cream of Nature Coconut Leave-In Conditioner just to spray my hair. I love, love, love big hair. I hated my hair when it was just a Passion Twist because I feel like I have a big head. So yeah, that wouldn't work. So next I'm going to be adding jewels to the hair. I got all of these for $1 at my local beauty supply store. Just going to be adding those. And honestly, I think that's the end of the video. Just gonna add your jewels, or you could do string if you want. This is by far my favorite crochet style. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe, you guys. Follow on my social media. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, that girl. This should smell good. Hair smells good.